Jinxie's Tarot, guys, welcome back. I'm doing a reading for all you Capricorns for the month of July 2022. You can use this for your rising, your sun, your moon, Venus and or Jupiter. Guys, remember that time is fluid, not linear. This reading could have recently taken place, currently taking place, or soon to come. Let's get started, Capris. Alright, Capris, it seems like there was a offer of love that was presented to you in your recent past, but for some reason you didn't feel comfortable going forward with it. You did not feel comfortable taking this cup of love that somebody offered you. Now, the reason being is currently you are in a state of contemplation. You're thinking about it. It's not like you made a decision, but you're a bit in a humdrum, like sad, dark place. And yes, in a cup of, like, you see this cup here and this cup here, it was offered to you. You are thinking about that offer, but for some reason there's a past. These three cups on the bottom indicates, like, if you see two are full and one is empty, and you're looking at the one that's empty, something is still missing. And guess what? Because there's a secret. You feel in your gut that there is something that's being hidden from you. There's something being hidden from you. That's why you're in this state of, like, I don't know. I don't know. Let's find out why. Alright, let's see. Alright, Capris. You did, this is Three of Cups, Ace of Swords, and the Hermit card. Now, the secret, now Three of Cups can signify a third party intervention, but there's a new beginning too. And then there's a Hermit card. You feel as if there's still there's something else hidden from you. There's probably someone else. What you're thinking is that the secret is that maybe your person is still attached to another person. Even though your person wants to give you a new beginning, is offering a new beginning, you feel like there's someone in the shadows. The Hermit card with the Three of Cups, you may still feel like there's someone hidden in the shadows. That your person, whomever this is, whomever's offered you this love, the reason why you didn't feel confident enough taking. This is Three of Pentacles reversed. Now this deck I never use as reversed, but this came out reversed. Now if this is reversed, Three of Pentacles means making it work. Reverse means not making it work. Now I see two threes here. There is a third party intervention, and mind you, it doesn't necessarily mean it has to do with a significant other. It could be friends intervention, it could be a family intervention, something, or maybe even work related intervention. But the reason why you are in this state is because you do feel like your gut tells you that there's a secret. You're right, there is a secret. Now there's two threes. One three is that there is a third party intervention in which it makes you feel as if you can't make this work. Three of Cups is third party intervention. Three of Pentacles is working hard together. It's reversed. You don't feel like you can make this work because you know that even this offer is out on the table, there's something that's hidden. Hermit is usually hiding, okay? This is what's getting to you guys. And I'm sorry. I am sorry. You're right about this. You guys are right about this. That's why you're in this state. Your gut is right. Your gut is telling you that yes, there is someone else in the shadows. There is someone hiding behind the darkness, okay? And you don't feel like you can make it work. You can't make it work. And the thing is that you are going towards not taking the offer and being very, very independent. You want to be independent, and you're going to be independent. You're going to get out of this situation, and you're going to find yourself independent and single again. But as soon as you are, an offer comes. This is Page of Wands. It means that somebody exciting, somebody energetic, someone fun is going to come into the picture. Let's see what's going on, guys. Capris, don't fret, okay? The offer that you left behind, listen to your gut, because, whoa, okay. Why is that? No, too many cards, guys. Too many cards. Not taking that. Too many cards. Whew. Okay, Capri, heads up. Yes, once you reach your independence, once you reach your independent state and you're independent and you're just you yourself, an exciting new offer does come. And it is exciting. The person that once offered you this beginning is going to be back again as a King of Cups. This person is coming back again because they don't want this defeat. They feel defeated. They do feel defeated. They do want to still, even though you know that there's a secret, they still want to come forward with their love. Yes, and it is because they feel defeated. They feel out of place without you. They don't feel as if they have their shit together without you. They are suffering a broken heart. They are. And they want to know if they can still make it work with you. They still want to, your past, this person that you didn't go forward with, the one that you didn't take his or her hand, they're going to come back because they feel defeated. They do feel defeated. They don't feel like they're in their right mind because they're hurting. They still want to make it work with you, Capris. They still want to make it work with you. I'm going to find out about this new offer that's coming your way. Can you give me... Huh? Okay, this new offer... Okay, 2 new offers. I get that. Okay, guys, look. I'm going to be honest with you. The one that you declined still wants to come back and wants to start from scratch. They want a new beginning. But there is another one who's very playful, very fun, and all that on the table. One makes you feel very, very loved and desired. One makes you feel very loved and desired. The other one, you feel like you in your gut, you don't feel like they can make the right moves to win you back. You don't feel like they can do what it takes to say the right things. You don't feel like they can say the right things or do the right things to win you back. You will be independent and you'll be fully well on your own. These 2 offers, one is, like I said, one is this one. This one. The one who gave you their cup, who presented to you in the beginning, and you felt very, very unclear to take it. You denied it. They keep trying to come back. Capri, this person just keeps trying to come back. They want a new beginning. They want to start over. And one person is making you feel giddy in your stomach. This person wants to start over, and they want to nurture you. They want to love you. They want to make you feel like you're the only one. That is what the incentive is. Then there's but you don't feel like they have what it takes to say the right things, to make the right moves. You just don't feel it. This other person who's very energetic and very new. I'm not sure why I'm not getting any answers for that one, but let me see. Did I miss something? come out nicely again, please. Okay, guys, this new one, this second option that you have, this new person, it looks like they just came out of a situation where they were in a hermit mode, where they probably came out of a bad situation themselves, okay, and they're healing themselves. They're the King of Swords. It looks like they worked on themselves and they're not in a rush. I think this is what maybe this other person is. They're not very much in a rush to make some sort of solid commitment at all. They're not very communicative. You know what I mean? They're not very straight out. Yes, it's an energetic situation. They are looking for excitement. They are, but they're still, because they spend time healing themselves, because they may have come out of a broken relationship themselves, they are not as confident. This person is not as confident, but they want to be able to, they want to make this happen. This new person wants to make this happen. They had walked away from a situation themselves. This new person, this second new person, did walk away from a situation and they spend time healing, and now they want to make moves. They want to make moves, but they're not as confident fully voicing themselves out or sending a message out to you to make things happen. But they want to make this happen, and I understand that. They do. Guys. They seem to desire you a lot. They seem to desire you a lot. They do see you as a very extraordinary person. They do see you as an extraordinary person, guys. They do, Capris. Giving you a heads up. These are the two. Alright, guys. Look. This person, second person, will be coming towards you. It's not like they won't. But like I said, this new person also came out of a bad situation. They ended a relationship and they're ready to start anew. They will come charging in, and they do also want a new beginning with you. They also are looking for a new beginning with you. Oish. Alright, Capris, I want to be straight with you. Okay, and I think you know this, okay, because you're in the situation. The past in which you were unsure to start a beginning with, the past is not giving up, okay? The past wants to come back, and they want to start from the beginning. They want to start fresh. Yes, you know that there was a secret. Yes, you did know, but I think they're going to come out to voice out what it is that they need to tell you, because this person does want to nurture you. They see you as a very nurturing, very loving woman. They do see you, and they want to love you. They do want to nurture you, but you know that there's still something about the past that still lingers on with them, and you don't feel like you can make it work with them up until they resolve this situation, because they keep this beginning like it's hidden. It's hidden. Whatever the situation is, it's hidden from you. They have to come out in the forefront to let you know. You are going to work on yourself. You are going to work on yourself. You are not ready to be in a relationship till you reach this state. So Capris, you need to be independent. You need to be self-sufficient. You need to be okay with yourself. And when you do, another option comes in. This person wants a new beginning because they just came out of a bad situation themselves. They came out of a painful situation, and they walked away. They walked away from it. So when they come to you, they're coming as fully healed individual because they want to make it work with you. They want this. They want to make this work with you. Okay. So look, Capris, you have two options on the table. I'm not gonna say you don't. You're gonna rush in. You have the past that does not want to give up. You have an option of a new person that is starting their life over again, and they want to start with you. You have to make the decision. I can't make that decision for you, but you have two players on the table. Whomever you decide, I wish you the best of luck. Best of luck, Capris. Many, many blessings. Okay, till my next reading. Bye.